Okay, hello. Um, this is this is gonna be my first time streaming X and YouTube. Um, my name is Junior Moreira. I'm a software engineer at York City. Mm, I'm focuses my focus is in front end, but currently I'm doing AI applications. Um, so this is my blog. You can find me as justmore.com. Um, I need to write more. I know I need to write more blogs. Um, but anyway, this is the start of my beginning, my career. I had some blog posts. If you wanna go and check, you can. Um, Currently, I'm doing experiments. What we're gonna do today? So basically, uh, we are going to inspect technologies like, no, this is not the web page. Cursor, no, this is not the web page. Cursor ID. Try cursor. Yeah, cursor. The hyped um editor that basically helps you to build applications in minutes according to the thing, and help you to solve problems. So as developers, we know that the key in our job is not to scale to technology. The key is always merge our knowledge to be better developers, more productive, and be able to build complex shit. I don't know. But what are the main characteristics of Cursor? It says that cursors include a powerful autocomplete that predicts your next edit. Once enabled, it sits always on and will suggest edits to your code across multiple lines, taking into account your recent changes. Code generation, cursor series your recent changes so it can predict what you want to do next. Multi-line editing, cursors can suggest multiple edits at once, saving you time. Smart rewrites, typed carefully, and cursor will fix your mistakes. Cursor prediction. Cursor predicts your next cursor position so you can seamlessly navigate your code and chat. Basically, we can connect different LLM models to our code editor. Um, we can use images as the web, reference your code. So the reference in your code, and I don't know, but I think it's using some kind of indexing. So it takes the whole Git Git commits. So he found similarities, and that is how Cursor gives you better responses. Instant apply. Apply the code suggestion from chat back into your code base by clicking the play button up top of any chat. User documentation, reference popular libraries using add library name or add your own IDs doc. Okay. Command K lets you edit and write code with the AI. Try to edit, try to select in some code, click edit, and describe how the code should be changed. To generate completely new code, just type Command K without selecting anything. Fast edits, easy, and write code with the AI. Select some code, click Command K, and describe how the code should be changed, or generate new code with the Command K without selecting anything. Okay, Terminal K. Terminal K in the terminal to write terminal commands in the plain English. Cursor will cover them into the terminal command you need. Quick questions. Try Cursor. That's all the features that Cursor provide us. So what we are gonna do today is testing what Cursor is able to do, and what do you think we must do? We can literally use whatever uh, programming language because that's one of the advantages of using AI, but at the same time you should know that AI is a tool to help us to be better developers, but we shouldn't forget to learn and understand what are the concepts behind. Because if you don't know what are you doing, you probably doesn't gonna get the advantage of using this AI, because from my perspective, at least for now, the AI it's unable to do a lot. Sometimes give me some kind of frustration because they doesn't know what I can do. And and what is really good, the AI, it's in providing you with a snippet. A snippet code that you should know that you need to look for it into Stack Overflow and so on. So let's go. And well, so let's go open Cursor. Cursor is opening, and now I'm gonna change my point of view. So let's go. Okay, this is a project. I'm gonna create a new folder into my choosemore.com, right? So new folder, and what we must do today? Which programming language should test? We should test. I like Golang, but let's see if Golang is in. Okay, testing, cursor, create and open. Testing cursor, go. Let's see if it's code. It's okay. We had a code. Code stool, money code source. So Okay. Um, so to improve what you're able to see, let me move my panel. Search how I can move that here. Now it's better for you, right? So you can see what I'm doing. So main feature of the cursor. I read here terminal. Command K in the terminal to write terminal commands in plain English. Cursor key will convert them into the terminal command you need. So let's see. Command K. Start a Golang project. Command init github.com use more testing cursor. Right? Okay. Let's run. I create my code mode. It's okay. Okay, create a main file. Main Golang file. Submit. No. Reject. Okay. Not working. It should be like create using touch a Golang file. Touch command a Golang file. What's it? What? Okay, this is not gonna work because I need to get out of here. Clear, command K. Command K, create a Golang file, my main Golang file using touch main.code. Run to create my main Golang file, but it's here it say that if I want to install the recommended Golang, go for VS Code. Okay, this is support. Now we have our main main.go. I had more questions. Let's open. Okay, create. This is simple. Create a hello world. Generate. Okay, that's it. This is go run main.go. It's okay. Okay. Let's look for another command like let's test if we build a simple HTTPS server. So install a library to build a server in Go. Let's meet. Go get kin with Kintonic. Okay. Just download the files. Okay, added package, and now what is install Gin. So I did like create a Gin server set. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Run my Gin server. Run my Gin server. Hello. Listen and serving HTTP on el puerto on port 8080. So we need to test. Let's look for, I don't know, Postman. Postman. Oh shit. Postman. Now here, blank collection. Testing cursor. And next, we are gonna create a request, a get request. And let's see. 8080. 8080. It's working. It's working as we want. Right? So I hate this part. It's better. Right. Okay. Um Now on this level of complexity, it's able to handle the task. But what's next? I mean, how much I can do? For example, um, we need a database. We need a database. I'm not gonna use the common ones. I'm gonna use SurrealDB. So add SurrealDB and add an endpoint to upload cats. Okay. Set. He say undefined SurrealDB. So we are gonna stop launch server, and then I'm gonna request command K to install SurrealDB. Run. It's okay. Now he know how to. Okay, what let's do a review. It's maintaining our main endpoint that is basically a hello world, and then we had a cat endpoint, insert cat into SurrealDB, and we are creating the cat using our interface, yeah, var cat. First should bind JSON and get the cats. The I need to send these three parameters through Postman. That is what happened here. So after that, it's binding this to our cat variable, and we take the cat and we save our cat in our database, right? And then if there are an error, return a status internal server error with failure to load the cat, right? So what we need right now is an instance of SurrealDB, because if we do this right now, go run main.go, what it said it's creating an engine instance with a logger and recover middleware already attached. Running in debug mode, switch to release mode in production. Connection refuse. What does this mean? Debug with AI. I need to install the debug tools from Google. Basically, are out of date, or that is what happening right now. Installing Golang, Cults, and now the tools from compile Golang code are ready. Clear, now run. But okay. So sorry. It say that the connection in my port 8000 is refused. So we need our SurrealDB instance. Sorry, sometimes I'm a little bit stupid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a Docker file. No, a Docker file. Docker compose.yaml install recommended Docker compose, and I have a code predefined for SurrealDB, so wait a second, I'm looking for it. Clients, choose more. space Docker Compose. Open with cursor. Here we have okay, this is what we need, but we can do this. Let's see. Create a Docker file to install SurrealDB and add the data in the data. I don't think memory because I don't like to use in memory data. In DB mode. Okay. Set version. Let's compare with my file. Fields error. The current version of Docker doesn't require the version. And SurrealDB image, SurrealDB, Lastes, container name, SurrealDB, and it's done this in the port 8080, but I'm gonna change this one by here. Okay, and then command start log trace under the root, and yeah, it's doing this one. But if I wanna have a persistent data, what we need to change is where the data is located. I don't know why. Probably this works in Windows, but it's not working for me. I'm gonna copy this and paste this here. Restart, start loading, file my data, and ta-da. And I'm gonna update this because in my case it's my data, but he recommend data database v, but I prefer this path for me. For my case, you can use whatever you want. So this should be okay. With this one, it's trying to build our application, and it's saying that the SurrealDB environment variable it's pointing to this one, but it wasn't looking for that. So this is all what we need for case, right? And then the container name, I'm gonna SurrealDB go because I had another instances running right now. And with this, we need to do docker compose add -t can connect to Docker daemon. So okay, to start Docker daemon and command line. Open. Okay, run this. It's okay. Let's see. Oh, my computer it's without energy. I'm back. Yeah, Docker is here. Sorry for that. And go to the dashboard. Now Now add my Docker Compose file in interactive mode. Yeah, it's recommending me this -div in my case. Now we had a new container. Let me show you. We create the testing cursor container with surrealdb.go, right? That's okay. Now we need to connect to surrealdb, and what we are gonna do is open. Imagine what I like surrealdb. We are gonna open surrealist. New connection. Wait a second. This. Connect this. Okay. We had surrealist is what is this? Basically, it's like your own Supabase, but using the Surreal DB. And we need to create a new connection, address for, close this one. Let's see, because I don't remember. Let's copy this, close, copy this, and then new connection, address and port, 8500 root. We need to add root again and root again, and we cannot connect because here we had an error. What is the error? It's that we don't know. For example, let me see. We need to say you forgot to add the namespace in database. Here, define it both like CodeDB. Okay, let's see. Namespace in database, CodeDB both. Okay, I'm gonna check this. And now I have the field that I need to write here. CodeDB. CodeDB. And change this to HTTPS and create. Failure to correct version. The database version could not be determined. Please ensure the database is running and access it. It's access it. Okay. CodeDB, root. What is wrong? CodeDB. Okay, this is right. But probably here it's with this one. Okay, copy. And okay, let's test with this. This was the error. That's what's weird. Surreal go. Surreal go. And save. And now we are We are not connected. We are not connected. And let's go here and change to okay. Let's run this just to check. Hmm. Creating an engine instance with a logger and recover middleware already attached. Running in debug mode and say it again that it's unable to connect to that port, which is rare. Um, Basically, when you can understand and learn right now that we had AI to help us to solve little issues like this, but probably all the parameters and code that the AI define right now, it's okay, but we are failing with something that is too easy, but it's hard to us to catch out. So you can imagine that it's hard for the AI. So if you don't know what's the problem, how you can say the AI that you're failing. So that's my deal right now. Okay. Okay, let me show you the Docker. It said that there was a problem with the database. The authentication is disabled. This is not recommended for production use. We need to say it as well. Please authenticate has root. Please authenticate has root user. Hmm? That's a problem. Probably and probably not. But okay, now let me check something just to review my Docker file and compare. This is mine. Services, SurrealDB lastes, container name, surrealdb.go ports. We have this port and we can do this one, and this is the same. Let's just checking that this is okay. And we have the command start and restart always. Copy. We had copy and copy. Oh, sorry. It's this from here to here. And yeah, it should be worse well. So no, let's continue with the same board. And now it's okay. We need to do here compose down. And we need to do here compose up minus D. It's create a server and we must connect to the database, and let's see what is if I'm getting another error. Failure to connect. TCP. Refuse. Let's see, because something wrong. There are something wrong. Over HTTP to this port to TCP with that. We had another database is running and are failing. Okay, let's resolution. Oh, weirdo. The connection refused, but just to check, we need to go to the documentation and look for Surreal DB Go. Here, Surreal DB new by that. And out, import out, singing, out data, and use. And I'm gonna use this model step or the another one. And let's go. Undefined out. What? Net hold this. Fit with AI. No, singing with buttons. This must work. With a question. Let's import this. It doesn't exist. So how is the right way to authenticate into SurrealDB using Golang? This must work. But well, at least that you know what you're doing. Like me right now, you are gonna be unable to do something really bad with this kind of technologies. Um, I've been using this database for a while, and I know that I'm doing the right process, and I'm reusing the same um, the same files. I mean, I need to create a new file, new folder called my data. Also, probably that's the reason. just just let me docker compose down here, docker compose add minus d, and yeah, basically my problem is here, creating um give the access. Let me copy the relative path. No, this is not copy path. Copy path because my data is no longer into this folder. That's the reason, because my connection it's failing. So let me copy all of this and put in this one here. So my data, it's in that folder, right? And then if docker compose down, docker compose at minus d, the container, and it's running, man, it's running. You know, AI doesn't know that my fucking path it's run. And it's running because here it say that it's running without problems, right? So it's an human error. Human error. It's my error. And in fact, I'm not a bug developer, but I wasn't unable to recognize that my problem was there. So if I am as a person, I know where my files are, how AI can know where not, right? So now if I connect, I'm connected. I'm connected. It's okay. It's the green symbol here. I'm not against AI. I love AI, but we need to recognize that okay, user root, gocdb, and then we had connected to this port. Now let's run go main road go. It's running. My application it's completely compiled, allowed, and now we can use Postman. Let me look for Postman, and which is or it's a post to this endpoint. Post this endpoint. Post to this endpoint. Right? It's okay. We need to send a body. We need to create a post. We need to save this, and we need to what we need to say and send. It's basically name. Okay, and copy this one by this just to see. Shit, I hate that because I'm not the person with the best memory in the world, right? So we need to add name. Okay, let me type. Why is it not working? Oh, so sorry. I'm really stupid. So sorry. I'm really stupid. So name Uh, Hello. Name Catman. Breed. It's what is it's what curse. I don't know. We can be an age. It's 60. No, no, no. It's a younger cat. It's a younger cat. It's 1 year age. So we have all the parameters required, but by our application is running in the port 8080 in the endpoint cats. We need to send this, and let's see if this works. Send JSON cannot marshal strings into go struct calc.h because it's a int. Let's see. Yeah, it's an int. Send. And yeah, my cat it's uploaded into our database. We had a cat and we had our cat uh, with with the name Catman, and our cat had 10 years. you know, um, I wouldn't like to say that AI is bad, but really, if we forget that still there are human errors so simple like discover a folder. AI doesn't know the whole context. They must have, I mean, get access to whole computer, but it must have a big knowledge to understand what we're doing and for what. But hey, buddy, this had been all. We test some features of Cursor, and we know that it was unable to say me that my folder where my data must be located, it was wrong. So, by the way, um, this has been all. I hope you had been enjoying this stream. So I'm gonna back. I'm going back. I'm so happy, and I feel more comfortable doing that. But what we can do next? Bye bye. See you next I don't know, tomorrow. Just I'm gonna go out of my home because it's weekend. I'm a person. I'm not a person that is always calling. But hey, buddy. Bye bye.